Hey guys, welcome back to another Tech Tuesday. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Wellbeing Sunrise Alarm Clock by Avon. And the reason I'm doing this video is simply because this product is perfect for those who suffer from seasonal affective disorder, but it's also very good for those people who struggle to wake up in the mornings as well. This alarm clock wakes you up with natural sunlight, same kind of way that a sad lamp works. Now, before I start this video, I just want to mention I've never been officially diagnosed with seasonal affective disorder, but I do have my own personal sad lamp which I do sit in front of. In the winter, my anxiety does feel a lot worse. I do tend to have a lot more down days than I do in the summer, so I decided to get a sad lamp, and I do sit in front of it, and it does actually personally work for me, but I've never been officially diagnosed with anything. So at the moment I happen to have my phone to wake myself up, but a lot of the time I'll completely forget to set it so the volume gradually increases when it goes to wake me up, so I often end up waking up with a massive jump because the music just blares out. It's not a very nice way to wake up, so I really wanted to give this a go as well. This actually came as a free gift from Avon if I spent over £10. I do buy a lot of stuff from Avon anyway, so it was absolutely perfect. I really wanted to try it out. Really looking forward to hopefully having better wake up calls than I get with my phone at the moment. But anyway, enough rambling, let's begin. So first I'm just going to show you guys a quick sneak peek of the packaging. Now, as you probably have noticed, there's absolutely no indication whatsoever that there's even an alarm clock inside here. The only reason you know there's an alarm clock inside is because it says on the back in different languages, Wellbeing Sunrise Alarm Clock. As there's not much of a talk about packaging wise, I'm just going to start unboxing it now. And here we go, here's the inside of the packaging. So I guess the mug USB cable which comes with it is to charge up the alarm clock. Here we have the instructions, and we also have the first pictures of what this alarm clock actually looks like. And here, wrapped up in bubble wrap, we have the alarm clock itself. As you can see, it's very similar to a sad lamp. Here is the alarm clock all completely unboxed. I've even got the stand up and everything. This is exactly what it's going to look like when it's next to your bed. Now what I'm going to do now is, if you just bear with me, I'm going to set it up. You guys will see what it looks like when it goes to wake you up in the morning. Right, okay, so as you can probably see, as it's lit up already, I've actually set my alarm in about 2 minutes time. This should hopefully go off, and I'm going to show you what it actually does. There is two settings, which I'm going to show you in a minute, where you can have it where either the alarm just goes off by itself, or you can set it so that the light turns on as well. I personally have set it so that the light turns on as well, so you guys can see the full functions of the alarm clock. In about a minute's time, hopefully this should go off and you can see exactly what it does. So brace yourselves guys, because it's about to get very exciting.
A few moments later.
Oh, here we go. The light's not coming on though. Okay, it turns out I actually set it wrong, so I forgot to have it so it turns the light on, but this is what it does when you just have the music and no light. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut it up, reset it, and see what it looks like when you actually turn the light on. Okay, I've set it again now. This time it should go off with the light as well. I'm actually doing this in the middle of the day. I probably should do this in the evening, but you guys can still kind of see what's going to happen. In about 2 minutes time, it should go off again. So hopefully you won't get the proper full effect you would get at night, but hopefully you can still see what it actually does. So this is what the light looks like when it's actually on, but this is what you will get woken up to when you try using the light. Now, I was actually going to try doing this in the evening, but it actually seems to have come out quite well regardless, so I've decided to leave it today instead. Okay, so as you probably can see from the music playing at the moment and the light that was on earlier, what it will do first is the alarm clock will wake you up naturally with the light, and then it will start playing music to keep you awake. Just quickly before I go, I also want to show you guys a couple of settings. So first off, we have these settings here. This bottom setting is if you want to use the alarm with a light, and if you set it to this setting up here, that's just to have the music and no light. Here we have where the micro USB cable goes, which is you need to charge up your alarm clock for at least 2 hours before you really use it, which I'm going to go and do now I've done this video. You have these settings to actually set the alarms in the first place, and of course you have the up and down arrows, which are self-explanatory. Okay, so that's it in the video. I hope you guys found it a tiny bit interesting anyway. Just for one last look, this is the Wellbeing Sunrise Alarm Clock from Avon. I'm sure there's so many shops that will do the same kind of thing if you would really like one of these ones but can't find this specific one. If any of you own or have heard good or bad things about these type of alarm clocks, please let me know in the comments down below, because I'm sure not just me but other people would appreciate it as well, because no one wants to go out and buy an alarm clock and then it turns out it doesn't really work at all. So does this make you feel better during the day? Does it make you happier? Does it give you more energy? Please let me know. I'd love to hear it. And just before I go, I just want to say one last thing. If my content does at all interest you, then please press the subscribe button down below, and also the bell button to be notified of all my weekly uploads. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye.